Guys, nakita niyo na ba tong project ni Anthropic? Pati ata cybersecurity gusto na ring agawan ng trabaho ng AI. Now, sobrang labo pa niyan sabihin ngayon guys, but we should always look at the possibility. Okay, pag-reactan natin itong announcement nila. So, meron silang project na nilabas, tawag nila dito is Glasswing. Ayan, nakikita ninyo. And dito guys, you can see, meron silang sinasabi na isang AI model. Now, sa mga hindi pala nakakaalam kung sino si Anthropic guys, sa kanya galing or product niya yung Claude AI at saka yung Claude Code. Yung Claude AI guys, yung mga AI model nun, isa yun sa pinakamatalinong AI model pagdating sa coding. And almost all of the developers na nakakausap ko guys, mas prefer nilang gamitin yung mga AI model ni Claude Code guys kasi nga magagaling talaga sila sa code. So kapag ka nag-release si Anthropic ng ganitong klase ng announcement, guys, we need to be informed. Especially kung nasa tech industry ka. You need to be informed kung ano yung kayang gawin na itong AI na sinasabi nila. Because guys, we all know Anthropic is really a game changer. Now, sabi nila dito, meron daw isang AI model na ang pangalan nito is Claude Mythos 2. Kung naalala niyo guys, noong mga nakaraang panahon, meron kumalat na balita na meron daw nag-leak na source map sa update ni Anthropic kung saan tinuturo nito yung source code. Sabi nila source code, yung mga future update sana or mga experimental development na ginagawa ni Anthropic para sa product niya. Now, isa doon guys is yung tinatawag nila na AI model na merong code name na Capybara. And I heard dito sa internet guys at sa mga ibang content creator na chismoso na ito daw Capybara guys. Ito yung code name at ito na nga siya si Claude Mythos 2 Preview. Ito na yung actual name nung model. Anong meron dito sa Claude Mythos 2? Bakit meron pa siyang ganitong announcement guys? Ganito kasi. Claude Mythos 2 Preview is a general purpose, unreleased pa to mga tol ha, frontier model that reveals a Stark Pack. So ito daw model na to, meron daw tong ni-reveal na Stark Pack. Ano yon? AI models have reached a level of coding capability where they can surpass all but the most skilled humans at finding and exploiting software vulnerabilities. That's a big word guys. I don't know if I'm going to believe that. It's hard to believe, but we cannot remove the possibility that this could be true. And yes guys, inevitably mangyayari to because AI is learning code in a very fast pace. Sobrang bilis matuto ng AI ng coding guys. In fact, coding is one of the field na sobrang nag-excel yung AI. So alam naman natin, pagka ang AI is natututo gumaling mag-code, inevitably matututo rin yan ng cybersecurity. And nakakagulat yung salita na yung mga AI models, they have surpassed all but the most skilled humans in finding and exploiting software vulnerabilities. That's a wow guys. Now guys, to support that statement, meron silang mga binigay na situations dito kung saan sinasabi nila na itong Mythos Preview ay nakakita raw siya ng 27-year-old vulnerability in OpenBSD. OpenBSD guys is an operating system which has the reputation as one of the most security hardened operating system in the world. So meron daw tong reputation itong OpenBSD, one of the most security hardened operating system. Pero itong kanilang AI na si Mythos ay nakakita ng 27 years old vulnerability. I can't say anything about that guys, okay? And also nakakita rin daw ito ng 16-year-old vulnerability sa FFmpeg. Itong FFmpeg guys, isa ako sa mga gumagamit nito. And knowing this guys really shocks me. Ganun katagal guys, wala nakakapansin. That's amazing. Sabi rin nila na itong model daw is autonomously bound and chained together. So hindi ko na i-English yan. Meron daw itong nakitang vulnerability or several vulnerabilities sa Linux kernel. And itong vulnerabilities na to guys is to allow an attacker to escalate. So pwedeng magbigay daan to sa mga attacker. Sabi nila, to escalate daw from ordinary user to access complete control of the machine. So sa madaling salita, parang sinasabi ni Anthropic na itong Claude Mythos Preview nila is sobrang lupet. Na nakakita to ng mga vulnerabilities na sobrang tatanda na hindi nakita ng mga cybersecurity nitong mga pinagbabanggit niya. And dito mas nagiging matindi ang lahat mga tol. Meron silang cyber gym kung saan kino-compare nila yung vulnerability reproduction. Yung kanilang latest model na na-release is Opus 4.6. One of the smartest guys pagdating sa coding. Pero nag-score lang ito ng 66.6 compare sa Mythos Preview na 83.1% guys. So 16.5 yung difference. Sobrang laki nun guys. Sabihin ganun katalino to. Matalino na nga guys yung Opus 4.6 eh. How much more itong Mythos Preview? The only thing guys is hindi siya available publicly. Now there's a reason. Kasi nga sobrang galing daw nito sa cybersecurity. There is a big risk na kapag ito is napunta sa kamay ng mga masasamang tao, of course, ang gagamitin niya yan para mang-atake ng mga system. Ganun ba naman kagaling tong model na to? So anong nangyari guys, meron lang ilang mga company gumamit sa kanila, kagaya nitong mga nandito guys, para gamitin sa kanilang defense. And for me guys, this is a smart move kasi whether hindi si Anthropic guys, sooner or later might be some other AI company that can develop an AI that have the same ability or capacity capacity guys, no? So I think hanggat maaga, kung isa ka sa mga company na to, tama yung desisyon na sila muna yung gagamit to their defense. Why? Para mapag-aralan na nila yung sistema nila. Kasi guys, AWS, Nvidia, Microsoft, Google guys, that will be one of the biggest target if in case meron mga masasamang tao or bad actors na makahawak na ganito katalinong AI na kaya niyang i-exploit guys yung vulnerabilities. These companies are using it to their defense. Now guys, ano namang ibig sabihin nun pagdating sa ating mga tao? Especially sa cybersecurity guys. It's really hard to make a comment kasi wala naman ako sa cybersecurity and I'm not one of them, no? Pero the statement is clear guys. Okay, and the message is really clear. AI is getting so good at coding na nagiging side effect na nun is syempre, it will be also so good at cybersecurity. And every time na ang AI is nagiging magaling sa isang bagay, it always put a threat dun sa mga tao na nagtatrabaho dun. Why? Because people have this fear that it might take their jobs. Paano na? Kagaya ko, sabi ko sa inyo, pag pumasok ako sa tech, ang isa sa pinakapipiliin ko ay cybersecurity. Tapos makakabasa ako ng ganito guys. I really don't know how to react to this. So, this is why guys, sobrang halaga talaga na updated tayo lagi sa mga bali-balita sa AI guys. Okay, hindi lang naman to exclusive para lang sa mga tech enthusiasts. Everybody should be aware and should be educated about AI. At saka yung mga future possibilities that AI can do para makapag-prepare tayo or makapag-ready tayo kung ano man yung mga pwedeng mangyari. So mga tol, kung isa kang cybersecurity or you are planning to take cybersecurity, what are your thoughts about this? What are your reaction? Kayo naman ang magbigay ng reaction guys. Kasi sa akin, I'm just amazed and a bit sad guys na yung pinakapangarap sa ng trabaho is mukhang kukunin na rin ng AI. So yun lang mga tol, comment down below.